Alright, it's been a while, but I got an ammo score video. I was just happy to find me some Tulammo in 223. You know, this stuff is nice and cheap, affordable at Walmart. I also picked up 2 boxes of the American Eagle 223 or AR223 just because I did want to get 100 rounds and they had no more of the tool. So I also picked up 3 boxes of the tool 9mm and some shoot and see reactive targets. So y'all know I should be bringing some more range footage to you real soon. Enjoy your Second Amendment. Shoot safely. Be responsible. Like, share, subscribe, comment.